In this video, you will research several cars to get an idea of what options are available within the price range you set. You will add the year and model of the car, a URL, and an image of the car to your spreadsheet. Create columns in your spreadsheet for car, link, image, and notes. In a separate tab or window, open an internet search page. Perform a search for a car you might want, keeping in mind the amount of money the buyer could feasibly borrow. There are many websites that specialize in buying and selling new and used cars. On some of these sites, you can filter by price. Or, if you know of a specific car you would like, you can search for the specific year and model. When you find a car that you or the buyer you specified might be interested in, record the data in your spreadsheet. Type the year, make, and model of the car in the car column. Copy and paste the website link in the link column. Type or paste any notes about the car in the notes column. Then, add an image of the car for quick reference. To do this, use the image function. In the image column, type an equal sign and image. Next, return to the image of the car from the website. Right-click and select Copy Image Address. Return to your spreadsheet and type a quotation mark. The web address must be surrounded by quotation marks in this function. Paste the web address into the function and close the quotation marks and parentheses. Press enter and terrific! A thumbnail image appears in your spreadsheet. To resize the image, resize the entire row. To make all the cells the same size, select all the rows in your table using the shaded row number on the left side of the spreadsheet. With these cells selected, change the size of one row. Google Sheets changes the size of all the cells in the highlighted section. When you have researched at least 3 cars, assess what you have found. The loan amount table helped you determine a loan amount that you could afford to finance. And now you have found several cars that are within the realm of possibility. How would you finance one of these cars to your best advantage? Would you extend the lease term to lower your monthly payments, even if you had to pay more interest over time? Would you shop for a lower APR to lower your interest rate? Or maybe you would save more money for a down payment so you could finance less. A spreadsheet can help you organize and compare options so you can make the best financial decision. Now it's your turn. Create a column for car, link, image, and notes. Search the internet for cars you could buy. Keep in mind the price range you identified in the previous videos. Record a description of the car, the website link, and notes in the spreadsheet. Insert an image into your spreadsheet using the image function. Resize the rows in your spreadsheet so you can see the car image. Once you have researched at least 3 cars and added them to your spreadsheet, move on to the next video to wrap up this activity.